think you talked about storytelling. So, how are all of you doing storytelling for your particular brands, for your products? So, who wants to go first on storytelling?
Yeah, in terms of story, I'll tell you. In the introduction part, I told you that I am a banker, accidental banker turned entrepreneur. I'm
special bank.
Accidental. You can call it incidental, call it accidental.
Oh, that's a chalo.
Yes, I am a science graduate basically, but landed into a bank and worked in banking industry for around 12 odd years. Then I called it quits and started my own journey. And journey, the moment, because of this finance background, banking background, my first startup was about financial services only. So that was the time when 2008, the recession happened first. So mitigating those challenges through the financial recession and kind of keeping your financial services venture going, that was really a ask. Kind of story, if you talk about story, kind of beginning something in middle of recession, that too something related to financial services.
That takes a lot
completely.
Yeah, that's
So that is where actually my understanding is entrepreneurship is not something that you're taught on the blackboard. You have to jump into it. If somebody wants to learn swimming, he has to jump into the water. So you cannot kind of actually teach entrepreneurship. So the moment you jumped into it, then you realize, no, if there is this kind of a challenge that has happened in the world over a period of 100 years, you have to see what is the kind of how to mitigate this challenge. Then we diversified into telecom, then we went into tourism, then eventually currently I'm into agriculture. So these all things have happened over a period of last 16 years. The time when I called it quits from the banking sector, and for 16 years now I'm as an entrepreneur. So there are challenges that we have faced, and there is a story behind how we have overcome those challenges, how we have kind of at least made ourselves stabilized to this extent that we keep ourselves afloat in these challenging times. And there is a time now that we see future is kind of there. It is very good, looking lucrative, and we can take it to the next level.
okay. All right.
Also, I think adding to the storytelling, तो
आपसे ही शुरुआत हुई थी स्टोरी टेलिंग की, आपने बताया.
because I think जो हमने realize किया over these 4-5 years is it's not just about कि आप कोई product या service ला रहे हैं. Consumers are mostly interested in the why of the things. हमारे लिए समझना भी ज़रूरी है कि why we are doing this, and if I am able to make you understand कि why I am doing this, what is my purpose and reason behind it, that creates a connect. तो वो चीज़ समझना बहुत ज़रूरी है, and over these 3-4 years we have realized that.
What is your why?
Yeah, so the why is कि when you look at Kashmir in itself, इसकी एक story है. But we have seen over last many decades, the story has been restricted to Pahalgam, Gulmarg, Sonmarg, and Srinagar. The Dal Lake you see here, that's this whole story. But there's a whole other side of Kashmir which has not been explored. There are places जो tourist map पे नहीं है. So that is our why. We want to take you guys to places that are not yet explored. ताकि we are able to see कि it's not just these 3-4 places, but it's a whole kind of a system. और बहुत सारी चीज़ें जो हो सकती हैं वो हम आगे लाना चाहते हैं. So that is the why. And I think to discover this, it's still a journey to discovering ki what our story is, and we are learning it by the day.
Okay.
So I think most of the purchases, because at the end of the day, it's like you're selling your product. So most of the purchases are emotion based. And from where does emotion come? Storytelling. So when brands, they connect to their consumers through stories, they can have that kind of faith on the seller that okay, there is something for me. Like in terms of experience we talk of, like we have our brand. Okay, our story is like under BizBuy we run a brand, myhomeinkashmir.com, and we are trying to give authentic experience of local Kashmir to people. Because if you go to Delhi, you go to any other place, you have ample real estate pieces which whatever we call luxury hotels or budgeted hotels or whatever, and we have same in Kashmir. But what is different that you are giving to people when they are visiting a place that we call is a place, we call it paradise, or we call it a place wherein nature meets you. So therein what our story is like, we try to give them that authentic local experience of Kashmir by making them stay in the homestays. Now there is like why the story is important. First of all, they get this authentic experience. Second, the homestay owner who's not able to connect to the consumer outside or a client outside or a tourist outside, we can be the, connecting path for both of them. That is our story.
Okay.
You can also like collaborate with us as well, because both similar है and we want
चलो,
people to experience
एक
that.
deal भी हो गई.
Yes, definitely.
And if you see regarding this cricket industry right now, that cricket is right now being chosen as a career option. And
आपने कभी सोचा cricket option?
I'm not. In my times, we used to hide our bats after going to play cricket.
मारती थी.
मार पड़ती बहुत ज़्यादा. So right now, if you will see that this part, that Kashmir is into cricket bat making, and this is the largest manufacturing sector of Kashmir. That this is the largest industry where we employ around 150,000 craftsmen who are making cricket bats and catering to around 80% of world's cricket bat demand. But for last 100 years, what we had been doing, we had been just supplying raw material to different brands. And the world was not aware that there can be a product 100% made in India that can come from Kashmir and can be used in the professional cricket. And this was the question that was arising in my brain from my childhood. And right, like Fasi said, that the why is there. If a question arises in your brain, half of the problem is solved. So while we were watching cricket match, since we are a cricket crazy nation, where Sachin is the god and cricket is the religion, तो जब आप वो देखते थे बचपन से, तो आपके दिमाग में ये क्वेश्चन आता था कि why a bat made in Kashmir, एक कश्मीर का अपना कश्मीर विलो, it is the legacy of India, कि वो एक प्रोडक्ट वहां पे क्यों नहीं है? Why is still English willow ruling international cricket?